Most car owners think they know their vehicle, but hidden inside almost every car are features that can save you thousands of dollars, and you're probably not using them. The scary part? By the time you realize something's wrong, the damage is already done. Today, you'll discover 12 hidden car features and tricks that protect your car, improve safety, and save money without spending a single dollar. Watch till the end, because some of these are so simple, you'll regret not knowing them earlier. Secret number 12. Wiper service mode. Ever parked during winter or used an automatic car wash? Your wipers can actually get damaged if they stay stuck to the windshield. Most modern cars have a hidden service mode that lifts them up. Turn off the engine within a few seconds, push the wiper lever down. The blades move up automatically. This prevents motor damage and makes changing blades much easier. Secret number 11. Seatbelt energy feature. That stitched section near your seatbelt? It's not decoration, it's designed to tear in a crash, absorbing impact and reducing injury. Without it, your body would stop too suddenly, causing serious damage. But here's the catch. Once it activates, the seatbelt must be replaced. Secret number 10. Battery saver system. Ever left your lights on? Modern cars automatically shut off power after a few minutes to save your battery. Some even disable features step by step to make sure your car can still start. So next time your car shuts things off, it's actually protecting you. Secret number 9. Auto lock trick. Worried if your car is locked? Try this. Hold the lock button before closing the door. Many cars will auto-lock after you walk away, and some even close windows. Perfect when your hands are full. Secret number 8. Washer nozzle adjustment. If your washer fluid isn't hitting the windshield properly, you don't need a mechanic. Use a pin or needle to adjust the nozzle direction. Takes 10 seconds. Fixes visibility instantly. Secret number 7. Trunk grocery hooks. Your trunk probably has hidden hooks. Use them to hang grocery bags and prevent spills. They're also great for tools, gym bags, or anything that slides around. Small feature, big convenience. Secret number 6. Tire pressure fill alert. Some cars tell you when your tire is properly filled. Turn ignition on to start filling air. The car will signal when pressure is correct. No guessing. No overfilling. Secret number 5. Fuel door emergency release. Dead battery. And fuel door won't open? There's a manual release hidden inside your trunk. Pull it to fuel door opens instantly. This can literally save you from being stranded. Secret number 4. Seatbelt height adjustment. If your seatbelt feels uncomfortable, adjust the height on the side pillar. Wrong position can reduce safety in a crash. Correct position equals better protection. Secret number 3. Cooled glove box. Some cars have a hidden AC vent in the glove box. Turn it on and you get a mini fridge. Perfect for drinks, snacks, or even medicines. Secret number 2. Throttle reset trick. Car feels slow or unresponsive. Try this. Turn ignition on, press gas pedal fully for 10 seconds, turn off, wait, restart. This resets throttle response. Simple trick. Noticeable difference. Secret number 1. Auto tilt mirror. Parking near a curb, your mirror can tilt downward automatically in reverse. It helps you see your wheels and avoid scratches. Most cars have it, but it's often turned off. Enable it once, and parking becomes effortless. Most of these features are already in your car, but almost nobody uses them. And that's exactly why small problems turn into expensive repairs. Start using these today, and your car will last longer while saving you serious money. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned because the next video might save you even more.